Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shares of your company using an easy method. First, understand that shares represent ownership in your business. You will need to decide on the total number of shares your company will issue, perhaps 1 million shares. Next, set a par value for each share, which is the minimum legal price, often 1 cent per share. This foundational step is crucial for establishing your company's equity structure. To legalize your shares, you must first incorporate your business as either a corporation or an LLC. This legal structure is essential for issuing equity. Then, draft and file your company's articles of incorporation with the relevant state authority. Finally, establish a stock ledger to meticulously record all share issuances and transfers. This ensures clear ownership records and compliance with regulations. Once your legal framework is in place, you can begin issuing shares. Start by allocating shares to the founders, reflecting their initial investments and efforts. For example, you might issue 500,000 shares to the primary founder. Prepare formal stock certificates for each shareholder, detailing their ownership. Always document these issuances with official board resolutions to maintain transparency and legal integrity. Effective share management is vital for your company's longevity. Establish a clear process for transferring shares, ensuring all transactions are properly executed. Promptly update your stock ledger with every change in ownership to maintain accurate records. Additionally, consider utilizing a capitalization table, or cap table, to track the overall equity distribution among all shareholders. This provides a comprehensive overview of your company's ownership structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.